Hey guys, so let's make some fried chicken. So to season your chicken, you're going to need some paprika, some thyme, spring onion, basil, all-purpose seasoning, black pepper, and some garlic powder. To your chicken, also add some mixed herb seasoning. Now I'm going to season up the flour with some basil, paprika, some salt, black pepper, and some ground pimento. If you want your chicken extra crispy, add some corn flour. So to ensure the chicken's done, I'll just open it up and make sure that there's no blood on the bone. Frying some chicken. See, when you fry your chicken, don't throw away this that's left behind. Drain off the oil and then you use it to make a gravy. Yeah? Don't waste it. See? That nice gravy. Can't buy that in the shop.